Namaste. Why men stray? The secret reason, part 2. Part 1, you may have watched that. We shared it earlier. It explored why a man tends to go outside marriage or his partner and so on. And we saw how the reason was mainly because a man needed that assurance that he still had it in him. And for some reason, it wasn't happening well enough, for example, in their marriage or partnership and so on. In this part, Why Men Stray, The Secret Reason, part 2, we explore where women may have gone wrong or what they can do to change things. 5 reasons I'm going to give you why women